Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixAdventures. Today in this video I'm going to help you out change your language on your GoPro Hero 9 in case it's a wrong language. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So let's say you're going through this setup process on your GoPro, or you're just in the general menu and you accidentally change the language on your GoPro and you can no longer read the menus at all. How would you go ahead and change it back to your native language? Well, this is very easy to do. Let's swipe down from the top, and here we can see all the different icons. Now let's swipe to the right to Preferences, where we can see the icons for Connections and Preferences. Let's select Preferences. So now under Preferences, let's scroll down to Regional. Now visually look at the icon to the left of Regional. It looks like a globe. So now that we can see the icon, let's select this arrow. And sometimes you can get into the wrong category. So here's Regional. There's two different options. The top is GPS on and off. The bottom is Language. Let's select Language. And for me, English is the top setting. So I'm going to select English. And boom, English is now applied. So that is how you quickly and easily change your language on your GoPro in case you accidentally changed it at one point in time. So if this video did indeed help you guys out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos related to your GoPro coming up next on YourSixAdventures.